dark wax, light wax. If you're a furniture painter, you likely use lots of custom color waxes. You know that once you use wax on your brush, you can't use it for another color of wax for painting, right? Well, there are so many uses for Clean Slate, but another of my favorites is to clean off all that wax from my brushes so I can use them again. Just pour in some Clean Slate, enough to cover most bristles, and drop in as many of your brushes that fit. These took 20 minutes and just a little swishing to get rid of the wax, while a few others needed a longer soak. I've left them in for 24 hours with no stress to the bristles or wood. Tip: I can use Clean Slate out of my studio and in my home, but it does have a strong smell, so if you're sensitive, open the windows and use gloves. After I use, I cap it off, label it, and save it for later. I always follow up with a rinse in warm water. It removes the cleaner smell, and I'm ready to use those brushes for whatever I want. Whoops! This one's not gonna fit, so I'll just rinse out my soapy water and put it in Clean Slate to soak in the bowl with those others that need a little extra time for about an hour. Follow me for more.